Hey there, and welcome. There's a massive shift happening right now in how businesses get things done. And honestly, it's all about leverage. Today, we're going to break down how a brand new kind of partner is becoming the secret weapon for scaling your business faster than you ever thought possible.
So let me just start with a question that I think is going to hit home for a lot of you. You're grinding, right? Working from dawn till dusk, but that to-do list, it just keeps getting longer and longer. Does that sound familiar? Well, you're definitely not alone. And the answer isn't about working harder, it's about working a whole lot smarter. Let me show you exactly what I mean.
Okay, take a look at this number. $309.9 billion. That's the projected market size for intelligent virtual assistants by 2033. This isn't some niche trend, folks. This is a global economic tidal wave, and it represents a huge monumental opportunity for any business that's ready to build some serious leverage into its DNA. So what's driving this massive wave? Check out this number, 78%. That's the kind of operational cost savings some businesses are reporting after they bring this new model on board. And this isn't just about, cutting a few corners here and there. This is about reallocating your money and your time away from those repetitive tasks and putting it directly into what matters, growth. So, let's really get into this. We're not just talking about a slightly better virtual assistant. No way. We're talking about a completely new role. The VA is evolving from being a clerk, someone who just checks off tasks, to becoming an architect, someone who actually designs the systems that run your business. Now, this slide really shows the fundamental shift. See, a traditional VA's output is totally linear. You pay for 10 hours of their time, you get 10 hours of work done. Simple. But an AI-powered VA, they're an automation architect. They might spend those same 10 hours building a system that then works for you infinitely, 24/7 with almost no extra cost. That is the jump from linear effort to exponential results.
Okay, so how does this new architect actually build your business? Well, it's not with just spreadsheets in their email inbox. Nope. They operate with a super powerful new toolkit. Think of it like a virtual operating system that automates and connects every single part of your business.
Let's see how these four tools work together to create this amazing system. So imagine you need to create your weekly newsletter. ChatGPT can draft the initial content, right? That draft then gets automatically saved into your Notion knowledge base. From there, a tool like Zapier or N8 acts like a traffic cop, automatically formatting everything, pulling in images, and scheduling it to be sent out, all without you ever clicking a single button. That's the virtual operating system in action.
So, that's the theory. But what does this actually look like in the real world? Well, this model is already transforming how work gets done across dozens of industries, from creative agencies all the way to healthcare. Let's look at a few quick examples. First up, real estate. This is an industry built on relationships and speed, but it's constantly bogged down by just endless administrative tasks.
And here's where that incredible leverage comes in. An AI-powered VA can draft, say, 10 compelling property listings before an agent even finishes their morning coffee. They can set up a system to automatically qualify leads and schedule viewings. See, this doesn't replace the agent, it frees them up to do what they do best, build those crucial relationships and close deals.
All right, now for the super fast-paced world of e-commerce, where success is literally measured in clicks, conversions, and customer loyalty.
For an online store, this system becomes a sales engine. Just imagine optimizing the SEO for hundreds of your products overnight, or using an AI chatbot to answer customer questions and prevent someone from abandoning their cart at 3 in the morning. It's all about creating a store that works for you around the clock, scaling your sales without scaling your payroll.
What about creative industries? Marketing agencies, they thrive on ideas and strategy, but so much of their valuable time is spent on repetitive execution.
Well, this is how you multiply your creative output. An AI-powered VA doesn't just write one ad. They can generate 50 different variations for A/B testing. They don't just glance at a competitor's website. They build an automated report that tracks their every single move. This frees up your strategist to think about the next big idea, instead of getting buried in the day-to-day execution.
And just to show how versatile this model really is, let's look at a highly regulated industry, like healthcare, where precision and compliance are absolutely everything.
Even in a field like this, an AI-powered VA adds immense value. They can automate appointment scheduling and reminders, manage patient data entry, organize research. But, of course, the crucial element here is having a skilled human VA who understands the importance of industry rules, like HIPAA compliance, to make sure that automation is being used both safely and effectively. So all of this raises a really critical question. Are we just talking about replacing people with software? Absolutely not. The real power, the true advantage, comes from the hybrid model, from combining human expertise with AI efficiency.
This slide, it really says it all. The smartest businesses out there aren't choosing between humans and AI. They're creating a powerful partnership where human ingenuity directs artificial intelligence to achieve these incredible, mind-blowing results.
Think of it like this. AI handles the sheer volume, all the data processing, the repetitive tasks, the first drafts. And this liberates the human VA to manage what truly matters: the relationships, the big strategic decisions, the creative problem solving, and adding that final critical layer of nuance and polish.
So, we've seen the problem, we've seen the tools, and we've seen the hybrid strategy. And this brings us to the most important question of all. How do you actually implement this and start building your own path to scalable growth?
Well, the truth is, anyone can go sign up for ChatGPT. The tool itself isn't the secret weapon. The real advantage, the game changer, is having a dedicated partner who is an expert at wielding these tools to achieve your specific business goals. That's the real missing piece of the puzzle.
And that's exactly where we come in. At Virtual Next Gen Solutions, we find that missing piece for you. We don't just provide task doers, we connect you with pre-vetted automation architects, VAs who are experts in this exact toolkit and are focused on one thing: building systems to scale your business, right from day one.
So, if you're ready to stop just managing a to-do list and you want to start architecting a business that can grow exponentially, well then it's time to take the next step. The first step is just a simple conversation. Visit our website or send us an email to book a completely free strategy session. We'll explore your business and we'll map out exactly how a dedicated AI-powered partner can totally transform your operations. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.